Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance QR code, full guide. Open the Binance app and sign in, then tap Wallet and select Receive to begin generating a QR code for any coin. Choose the correct network to avoid loss, then tap the QR image to enlarge, save, or share it. Always verify the address visually and with a small test transfer before sending larger amounts. In this video, I will show how to get Binance QR code, full guide. Start by selecting the exact cryptocurrency and the appropriate network shown in the app to avoid sending funds to the wrong chain. Carefully compare the network name and the first and last characters of the address before proceeding. If the sender uses a different platform, double-check compatibility and perform a small test transfer to confirm everything is correct and safe. In this video, I will review how to get Binance QR code, full guide. If you're enjoying this walkthrough, please subscribe and like so we can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life and makes following tutorials hands-free, which is great when working with wallets. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to get Binance QR code, full guide. Treat the QR code like a public address, not a private key, and never reveal your seed phrase or private keys. Inspect QR codes for tampering and confirm addresses match the app display before sending funds. Keep your device updated, enable biometric locks, and use official apps only to reduce risk. When in doubt, contact Binance support through the app for verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.